Okay. I love you.
And here we are. We're off to get a new Road 6 on the front of the bike. I've currently got it strapped to my back in a very safety first manner. There's some concerned looks from my wife. However, a few ratchet straps through the skate straps of my backpack should be fine. Last time I did this for the rear, I strapped it down onto the back of my pillion seat and ended up having to essentially ride the tyre the whole way. So this is slightly more comfortable, at least at low speeds. However, I need to get onto the A1, and I'll find out in about 5 minutes. It'll probably be about 30 seconds for you guys how that went. We've got gusts of 25-30 mile an hour wind today, and the A1 is the section that I'm going on is the 70 mile an hour bit. It feels remarkably stable on my back. However, every single car driver behind us will be keeping a wide berth today because it certainly doesn't look very stable. I wonder what the rules are with this, because a concerned police officer, I think, could raise some valid concerns. What's life without a little bit of risk? Oh, well, this isn't fun. Oh, I am not enjoying this. Looks like we made it. The tyre wasn't the problem. How were those fucking winds? Jesus! Pushed us across the road. I thought my bike was going to lift into the air. Like fucking Dorothy. If I'm being honest, didn't even know I had the backpack on. However, those crosswinds, Jesus Christ, getting thrown about, that was not one of the most fun things I've ever experienced. You guys heard that, right? Well, that was it, kiddos.
He's my friend.
This is insanely brilliant.
I'm on my way to happy night. I'm on my way. I don't know the words for this. I probably should. Yeah, I probably should have took a bit more heed about the wind, if I'm being honest, and picked a slightly different route, because there were a few squeaky bum moments where penetration. Oh, that wasn't fucking fun. Jesus. Oh, that set the seat right up my arse. I'll tell you what, I'm glad I wasn't sitting on the fucking tyre there like last time. My God. It's the problem with these long shadows. They hide some nasty traps. There's loads of shite in the gutters there. Probably it's best off to just take at the bumps so you're not going for that one. Jesus.